Hey guys, CELZ was up over 60% pre market today after FDA news. Once price found support around VWAP, we flipped on long mode and let the algorithm work. It caught the 10-second dip, added more size at our first impulse level, then automatically de risked the position back near break even before the next move even started. As price breaks the half dollar, the algo scales to 1,500 shares, adds at 163 and 170, tagging a high at 175 for 12.5 thousand shares total. The algorithm sets up to take full profit on the test of $2, but price stalls right there for almost a minute, chopping without breaking through. So the algo automatically de-risks the position back near break even, and a few seconds later, buyers do step back in with real size, and the price breaks above the high of the prior 1 minute candle. The algo fires the exit instantly. It sells the entire position near $2 for about 1,300 in profit, all handled automatically on this very first run of the whole trading day. We turn long mode back on, and the algo starts grabbing dip entries near 192 as it chops under $2 with thinning volume. Price eventually slides down towards 165, and the algo sits ready to double down at that level, fully prepared for the weakness to continue. Instead of breaking down, though, buyers step back in with size and curl the chart straight back towards the highs. The algorithm adds again at 220 and 240 as momentum returns, holding steady through the chop without flinching while price retests support one more time. From there, the stock runs clean through resistance, and the algo sells the entire position for a full profit near 275, closing this trade for about 3,900 in profit. That's about 40 minutes of fully automated trading, 2 winning trades, and not a single manual click the whole session.
The PDT rule is gone. Anyone can now day trade without a minimum balance. Getting started takes 10 minutes. Open a free TradeStation account, no deposit required, then load the Rater Trading Tool overlay. Use the built-in stock scanners to spot top percentage gainers with high relative volume, low float, and a news catalyst. Click Start and watch the algorithm trade based on your risk level and the stock's volatility, automatically managing risk, sizing, scaling in and exiting with no manual input. Stop manually trading and start your free 30-day trial now at ratertrading.com.